begin with, I would like to welcome Faruqi family for the VCL Season 9 post-match presentation ceremony. Firstly, we would like to thank the organizers who've held such a beautiful event for the whole company. And thank you everyone for your participation. With some special employees who we call the outstation employees who've come all the way for the VCL Season 9. To begin with, it's Dhananjay who's come all the way from USA to play VCL Season 9. Can we please have you on stage? We have Zaid Lakrawala who's come here from Qatar for VCL. Though he hasn't played, but he's here to witness this event. Zaid, can we please have you on stage? Next, can we have Jitendra on stage? Kamal. Vivek Gandhi. And Sanjay. Sanjay, are you there? Can we hear it from the outstation employees? What makes VCL special that they are here today? Dhananjay, can we start with you, please?
I mean, it's fun 2 days where everybody just gets together, and it's a lot of team spirit and teamwork that does this, and in the end, a team lifts up the trophy. I'm very fortunate to be a part of the team which lifts the trophy this year. So, yeah, it's fun to be here, and yes, I specifically asked to come for VCL.
Zed, can you please speak a few words?
Yeah, it's fun, excitement, memories. So every year I make sure not to miss at least this event. So I'm just traveled for 2 days. I'll be flying back. But yeah, this is great. Like, this is a good way of socializing, meeting old friends, even like ex-employees, everyone. Like, this is one event I try not to miss it. It's great fun.
Hello. Yeah, I am waiting for this event throughout the year. So it's fun meeting ex-employees, and as a remote employee, I am enjoying this event because it's one time a year event. So thank you.
I wait for this event throughout the year because it's a chance to meet all my friends and colleagues, and I love to enjoy this event. Thank you. Same copy.
Vivek.
Yeah, this VCL is so special for me. I think from last 2 VCL seasons, I'm like losing my game in finals, but this one is so special. And thank you, CSK.
We would like Mr. Faisal Faruqi and Mrs. Abda Faruqi to give them the hampers, please.
How was the event? Like, he especially flew from Dubai to watch the last day's game, so we would like to have some words with Faisal, sir.
No, guys, it was fantastic. I had to travel last minute, so I missed day one. But, you know, in the 9 seasons, this is the only time that I've missed. And as I said, I've been the co-owner. I've been the owner for the first 5 seasons. So this was very exciting. I mean, I just couldn't have missed. And I came last night, 1 o'clock, because I wanted to be here for the finals, because when I was told that, I was watching it last night, the recordings. This was beautiful. I posted a poll, and CSK, RR, everybody's favorite was RR. But you know, this is cricket, so congratulations to the winning team, and congratulations to the runoff players. I think in cricket you cannot be overconfident. You have to have a lot of hard work till the end, till the last ball, till the last second, till the last breath. My deep appreciation to the organizing committee, everybody who has worked along with Dilip sir and everybody who has worked in making this possible, as well as the back staff and Aftab's team for the lovely lunch we all had yesterday and today. I think this is the spirit of VCL, which DJ said, that it's two solid days of team bonding. हम एक दूसरे से मिलते हैं, हंसी मजाक होता है, क्रिकेट देखते हैं, एक दूसरे को टीज करते हैं और फिर सबको cheer करते हैं, and finally एक beautiful cup घर लेके जाते हैं. Congratulations and thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Next, we would like all the kids, who had come not yesterday, who are present here today, to please come on stage. Everyone, all the kids, please. Guys, all the kids. Attar, Ayaz, Arbaz, Nuzat, please come on stage. Moin. All the parents who are here, please send their kids. And they can come along as well. Yes, please. Arbaz, please come on stage. Please. Who will Is that all? I see a few people at the back. Please come. Come. Okay. More. Please come. I can see that girl. Like, please come. Yeah, you can come on the stage, please. Come. Please come. Okay, you can take over.
Okay, requesting Mrs. Abda Faruqi to give away hampers to the babies. This baby will not tell his name. However, this baby's name is Ali. Mohammed Ali, come on. This is for you. ये आपके लिए. Thank you, say thank you. What's your name?
Hamza.
So we have Hamza here.
Hi Hamza. How are you? This is for you.
आपका नाम क्या है?
Enough.
अर्नव. आपको गिफ्ट चाहिए?
हाँ.
एक चाहिए कि दो चाहिए?
करिए पहले. Good job. This is for you. Bye Arnav.
थैंक यू अर्नव. आपका नाम क्या है?
Angela.
अंजला.
हाँ.
आपको गिफ्ट चाहिए?
हाँ.
What's your
एक चाहिए कि दो चाहिए?
एक.
एक चाहिए
High
बस.
five करिए फिर आपको मिलेगा. Good job. There you go.
Thank you.
आपका नाम क्या है?
Izyan.
जियान. आपको गिफ्ट चाहिए?
हाँ.
आवाज नहीं आई, और तेज.
हाँ.
ओके.
Fist bump.
नेक्स्ट. आपका नाम क्या है?
रूहान.
ओहो, आपको हैम्पर चाहिए रूहान?
हाँ.
अभी रूहान अभी एक छोटा सी इंटरव्यू देगा. रूहान, आप रेडी हैं उसके लिए? क्यों नहीं? आपके डैडी का नाम क्या है?
नदीम.
फुल नेम क्या है?
नदीम खेड़ेकर.
ओके. एंड आप अपने डैड के स्टैट्स या मैच सीरीज के बारे में कुछ बताएंगे? VCL सीजन 9.
नहीं.
क्यों? ऐसा क्यों?
ऐसे ही।
आपके डैडी भी मैच जीते ये सीजन में? टफ लक, राइट? नेक्स्ट टाइम फिर से आएंगे?
बेटर लक नेक्स्ट टाइम।
That's the spirit! Thank you, Ruhan. Well done.
Good job. This is for you.
What is your name?
एलिजा।
आपको भी हैम्पर चाहिए?
हाँ
आपको हैम्पर चाहिए?
हाँ
आपको मजा आया आज VCL में आकर?
हाँ
थोड़ा कि बहुत?
बहुत।
ओके, फिर आप ले सकते हैं।
What's your mom's name? What's your dad's name? Mike. What's your dad's name?
मुजस्सिम। सारा। नदीम।
अरे कितने अच्छे।
आपको हैम्पर चाहिए?
हाँ
Of course.
हाय, आपका नाम क्या है? आपका नाम क्या है? आपका नाम है? आपको गिफ्ट चाहिए? You all are scaring us on screen. Whose daughter? Oh, Ankit. आपके लिए। Thank you, say thank you. Thank you. आपका नाम क्या है?
प्रियांशी।
प्रियांशी। आप किसकी सिस्टर हैं?
कृपा।
ओ, कृपा की सिस्टर है। आपको भी हैम्पर चाहिए?
हाँ
आंटी, आपका नाम?
चंद्रिका।
और आप किस?
के पेरेंट्स।
So we have Kripa's mother also here. Okay, we have one small baby here.
She's Mariam.
So we have baby Mariam.
She's your daughter? Okay. Hi, Mariam. Assalamualaikum. How are you? ये आपके लिए? ये आपके लिए? Bag? आप थोड़ा पकड़ लीजिएगा इस head.
It's okay.
Aishwarya sister.
So now we have one more baby, not baby. Haifa, a big girl. Come on, Haifi. Haifi, what's your name? Haifi, what's your name? No, that's Haifi.
Haifa.
And what's your daddy's name?
Faisal.
Would you like to say anything? Something? Did you enjoy VCL season 9?
I did, yes.
Okay, that's nice. Thank you.
Okay, so the next, what we would like to do is like we'll call all the employees, family members who are here. So the employee and along with the employee, like whichever family members are here with them, like we would like to call them on stage. First, we would like to call the newlywed, Shreyash. Shreyash and his wife, can you please come on stage?
Next is Neha Awari.
Faisal sir will present. Saurav, you also. Thank you, Shreyash. Next, we would like to call Neha Awari and family. Can you please come on stage? Guys, please give a big round of applause. Next, we would like to call Saurav Gupta. Saurav, please come on stage along with your family.
The claps should not stop. Come on, everyone.
Ashraf and family, please be ready. You guys are the next. Ashraf and family. नहीं मेरी फैमिली को नहीं बुलाएंगे. Ashraf and family, please come on stage. Next, I would like to call my family, my two brothers. Can you guys please come on stage? Are you guys there? Yeah, please come on stage. And Bobby. Arbaz, can I see you? Arbaz, it's only you and him? Next is you. Next is Arbaz and family. Murtuza and family, please be ready. Murtuza is here along with his cousin. That's Murtuza and family. Murtuza, wo side se? Wo side se, Murtuza? Sorry. Okay, we have one ex-employee with us. He usually comes to watch the games almost every year. So Suhail Kuravle, can I please have you on stage? Suhail Kuravle. Suhail Kuravle. Adarsh hai? Okay, is there any family that have missed or any ex-employee that is here who is not on the stage? Is there any family? Okay, yes, we have. We have family of Mohyuddin. वो सर हो गए वो मोइन इसकी थी अशरफ की थी. Ex-employee. Okay, next Tanmay Indulkar and family. Can you please come near the stage? Tanmay? No? Okay. That's it. Hussein. Do we have Hussein? We'll call. Hussein and family? No? We don't have Hussein. Okay. Ankit and family, please come on stage. And next is Sanjay. Sanjay, please come on the stage. Yes. Similar to Shreyash, Sanjay is also newly married. So please give a big round of applause, guys.
Please hear it for him, everyone. Please join your hands.
Please,
Come on.
please give a big round of applause. Okay. Next we have Ankit and family. एक मिनट है ये होने के बाद रोहन कौन है? That's it. Yes, please. Hussein. Is there anyone left? Any family members? Guys, any family members have left? Any family members, babies, ex-employees? Did we miss anyone? No, right? Okay. So we will move on to the next series of event. Okay.
You know, next year, can I have your attention? Hello. Okay, so the thing that I want to tell you guys is Cricket League is more than just a game, right? It's 2 days of forced team bonding. Forced because Sunil is after your life to give attendance, right? But I think in the end result is pretty good. Here's what I'm requesting. Next year, if you want to play in Village Cricket League, please make sure your family's coming, okay? We really want to see them. No, I'm not saying their attendance will be taken. I'm not saying they'll need to be here for all the 8 hours, but what I'm saying is bring them. Especially if you're so sure, like Shadab was, that he will beat whoever comes and plays them in the finals. Shadab was sure from the beginning, right? So if you're Shadab or you play for Shadab's team, why don't you call your family members to watch you beat all the other teams, man? Do that next year, okay? So this year, great, we saw some families and some people going out of the way to bring their families and parents and children here. Next year, we want to see more. Just tell Aftab, whoever you're bringing, so that he orders the extra food. Kal khatam ho gaya tha na? Kal khatam ho gaya kyunki always they try to minus the numbers. Tell them, but let's do it next year in a bigger way, okay? Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Okay,
we had an event for the ladies and women who participated. Neha Samal, Dhanashri, Zara Sayyed, Ikra, Krupa, Preeti, Anaga. That's the team who won. I repeat, Neha Samal, Dhanashri, Zara Sayyed, Ikra, Krupa, Preeti, Anaga. Can I please have you all on stage quickly? कहीं से भी आ जाओ. यहाँ से जाना. Neha, as you won, you get the big hamper. Lucky you. Followed by Zara Sayyed, Krupa, Ikra, Anaga, Preeti. Dhanashri, are you around? Skipping event was won by Bhumi. She did 134 skips in 1 minute. Bhumi, can we please have you on stage? Bhumi did 134 skips in 1 minute. That is 60 seconds, 134 skips. Can we give her an hamper? Can we give her? Izyan in children, where is Izyan? He's not around.
It's okay. Okay, so we would quickly have to have a. Can you guys please give a big round of applause to all the players like who were playing the VCL for the first time. So there are some names like that we have shortlisted, and we would like them to facilitate. We would like them to. I would like them to call on stage Ayush, Shiva, Tamim, Niket Tiwari, and Aditya Borhade. Can these 5 guys please? Can you guys come on stage? So there were many people who were playing for the first time, but we have shortlisted the 5 people who did an outstanding job this year. So thank you guys so much, and please can you guys give a big round of applause. Jaldi jaldi. छोटे छोटे दो छोटे हाँ ठीक है 5 चाहिए अपने को. Okay. Some special thanks that we would like to give out to both the umpires. Like, are both the umpires still on the field? Do we see the umpires? Okay. Thank you so much for doing the tremendous job. Both the umpires, the commentators, and the scorers. Like, do we have anyone from these guys, the commentators, the scorers? Okay. Thank you, the umpires, the commentators, and the scorers. Now, now we would like to go to the main event, which is the man of the match and the eventual the cup. So first, there were like total 7 matches. The man of the match for the first match between Flying Falcons and React Rangers is Shiva Shankar. Shiva Shankar, can you guys?
Shiva Shankar from React Royals, 19 runs and 1 wicket. Second match, C Sharp Kings, Shadab, 41 runs and 1 wicket.
Can we please have Hamid sir on the stage? Hamid sir, can you please come on the stage?
Second match, Angular Attackers versus C Sharp Kings. C Sharp Kings, Shadab has got the man of the match, scoring 41 runs and taking 1 wicket. Third match, Angular Attackers versus Flying Falcons. And the man of the match is Imran Khan for Flying Falcons, 25 runs and 2 wickets.
Imran Khan, please come on stage. Do we have Imran Khan? Okay.
Fourth match, React Royals versus C Sharp Kings. Man of the match is Gufran for 51, scoring 51 runs. Fifth match, Flying Falcons versus C Sharp Kings. Saurabh Kadam for scoring 36 runs and taking 1 wicket. Sixth match, Angular Attackers versus React Royals. And the man of the match goes to Saurabh Gupta from React
Guys,
Royals for scoring
please.
83 runs.
Please give a good round of applause. Okay, and last but not the least, the final match. There were 2 worthy competitors, CSK and React Royals. Both there were 2 batsmen from each of the team, like who had scored more than 75 runs. As you know, Saurabh Gupta from React Royals and Gufran from CSK. Almost the same runs, like one scored 79 runs and the other scored 80 runs. But the eventual man of the match goes to the player who has won the match, and that is Gufran. Gufran Chorwadawala, can you please come on stage?
Can I ask our family friend Mr. Sharafat to come on the stage?
Now, best bowler and the man with the purple cap.
Family friend Mr. Zahir Hawa. Mr. Zahir Hawa, if you're here, would you please come on the stage? Okay, he's gone with the wind. His last name is Hawa.
Best fielder. Any guesses? Any guesses? Atharva. Atharva. Atharva, can we please have
We will
on
give a
stage?
consolation
Atharva
prize to
from
Seth
Flying Falcons.
on public demand.
Atharva from Flying Falcons has got the best fielder award.
Can we also have Saif on stage? Saif did an outstanding fielding. Saif. This is a consolation prize that needs to be given from on public demand. This is on public demand. Thank you. Public demand.
Okay, Fair Play Awards. Any guesses?
Wait. We have bowler and batsman. Okay, give. Wait. Next, we have the bowler and the batsman, and then we can go to the team awards because fair play is a team award. So individual awards, like we need to finish
Best
first.
bowler. Man with the purple cap. Purple cap holder, Imran. Can we please have you on stage? Imran Khan, Flying Falcons.
इतने कम कैसे बहुत ज़्यादा थे ये सिल्वर कहाँ गए अरे हो ही नहीं सकते 25 ये थे 25 ये थे
Next, can we have on stage the best batsman and the man with the orange cap? Saurabh Gupta, can we please have you on stage?
This is the second consecutive time, if I'm not mistaken, that Saurav has won the orange cap. More than 200 runs he has scored in the whole tournament. So congratulations, Saurav, and hard luck this year.
So now we have the Fair Play Award. Any guesses? So the Fair Play Award goes to Angular Attackers.
The whole Angular Attackers teams, can you please come on stage?
Can we have the Angular Attackers team on stage, please? With the owners.
Guys, please be fast. Guys,
Quickly, come on.
please,
Angular
please.
Attackers with the owners. Can we please have you on stage?
All the yellow jerseys, can you guys please come on the stage? All yellow jerseys, please come on the stage. Rizwan sir, you can also come. Please. Ruhan, you can also come. Ruhan, you can also come. जल्दी आ जाओ. Fair play. हम cheating नहीं किए. हमने cheating नहीं किया. Where's Nakib? Nakib, you can. Yeah, since last year, like we have introduced this trophy, the team which loses all the matches, like we give this.
Hey, you know, guys, fair play का मतलब क्या होता है? मतलब अच्छा खेले, cheating वीटिंग नहीं किए, तो cheating वीटिंग करते तो हो सकता है जीत जाते. लेकिन एक चीज है. Hamid sir always gets a wild entry card into the team. Next time से इनको अगर खेलना है तो he has to do practice sessions.
Okay, before we go to the top two awards, I would just like to call all the VCL organizing committee, all the people who are behind the scenes organizing this wonderful VCL event, starting with the head of VCL, Narayan. Can you please come on stage? Narayan. Guys, can you give please give a big round of applause to Narayan. In fact, the whole committee. Can we have Shantanu? Shantanu. Shantanu, please come on stage. Shantanu. Shadab. Shadab, please come on stage. Sunil. Sunil, please come on stage. Then Kamar. Kamar, please come on stage. Zara Farooqi. Irfan sir. Can we have Irfan sir on stage? Aftab and Irfan, both. Aftab sir, please come on stage. And the most important person, Dilip. Dilip, please come on stage.
Nadeem, can you please come in as well?
Yeah, I'm already on the stage.
And all the back staff who were very involved, like especially the ones who were closely involved. how is this possible? Like you have the organizer winning the competition. कुछ अंदर कुछ गड़बड़ तो नहीं है? ये कुछ तो setting है.
मिटाई जाएगी, then we'll.
अरे वो 6 पे कैच पकड़े थे, वो आउट नहीं था. ये पूरा ऑर्गेनाइजिंग कमेटी.
Rajita, please come on stage.
मिली.
Rajita and Rahat. Rahat, you can please come on stage.
कुछ तो है. अरे नेक्स्ट ईयर से ना जो ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहा है वो खेल नहीं सकता है. कुछ तो गड़बड़.
And special thank to all the finance team also, Shamim sir, Shadab, and I forgot the name, Rahat and Aleem. Thank you guys. If you are still here, you guys can also please come on stage. Shamim sir, Rahat, yeah, next is backstaff we have. Shamim sir, Rahat and Aleem, are you guys there? Oh, Rahat is already there, sorry. Aleem and Shamim sir, please come on stage. Okay, guys, please give them a big round of applause. It won't be possible. The whole VCL event wouldn't have been possible because of all these guys, all these people. And thank you the HR team for managing the attendance. Sorry. Thank you everyone. And now I would like to call all the backstaff people, Ali and all the guys, Ali, Mehtab, Ahmed, Ehtisham, Mehtab, Ali, Altaf, Ehtisham. Hey, इन लोग को दो ना. Is there anyone else from the backstaff? और कोई backstaff से है यहाँ पे? जल्दी. हाँ दो. Guys, please give them a big round of applause. Thank you. Okay. So I think so we are at the fag end of the event now. The special 2 prizes that we would like to give is the runner-up prize, and any guesses like who is the runner-up? Yeah, I thought like you guys will say the same thing. I would like to call Sadiq on stage. Sadiq, please come. Sadiq, please. And owners of React Royals. Owners of React Royals, can you guys please come on stage? Sadiq is the diehard supporter of React Royals. Like no matter what, like he thinks like these guys will win. Like even if they're out, like he says like they're not out, no ball. So special thanks to Sadiq. Next time एक shouting competition रखेंगे, उसमें जीत जाना तुम. Okay. Are all ready? I would like to call each players one by one. Just give me one mic. I'll call out the names of the people who were playing in the matches, React Royals. Starting with the captain, Rohit Wagh, but I don't think so he's here with us. Atif K. Atif. Atif, Saurav Gupta, Chandan Gupta, Kamar Khan, Anas Sheikh, Fazal Sheikh, Chirag Panchal, Shiva Shankar, Ajay Yadav, Nayan Amrutkar, Saurabh Shukla, Lohit, Azim Khan, Rushikesh, Rohan Reddy, Burhan, and Deepak. We have runner-ups trophy as well. So Hamid sir and Faisal sir, can you please give the runner-ups trophy to the captain, vice captain, and the owners? Ali को बोलना, Ali के पास रहे। ये तो अहमद भाई को बोलो। Cap, Atif. The owners also. Owners also should join them. Owners, please join. Owners, please join. Sadiq, you are also an owner. You can also join. Ex-owner.
Come on, everyone, let's hear it for them. Runner-up season, VCL season 9, React Royals. Can we please hear it for them? Come on, everyone.
जिम जाना पड़ता है उसके लिए, जिम जाना पड़ता है आतिफ। ये सब जिम जाने का कुछ फायदा नहीं। और कौन जिम में जाता है? प्लीज ट्राई। सादिक, यू वांट टू ट्राई? प्रैक्टिस करके आ जाना अगली बार।
Finally, the champagne was popped. Guys, it's non-alcoholic, so don't worry about it.
ओके, फोटो।
ये हारे हुए लोगों का फोटो ले लो हम लोग के साथ। Congratulations. Good effort, Atif and team. And the owners and co-owners of RR. Y'all did a good job, but y'all should have pushed your team. That's the job of an owner, to keep pushing them for more practice.
Now, C Sharp Kings. Starting with the captain. Shadab. Can we please have you on stage quickly? Shadab, Vivek Grandi, Ashraf Sheikh, Gufran, Faizan, Imran Sayyed, Sundar, Adarsh, Mohammad Naqib, Rishabh Rai, Sujal Kalra, Pranay, Sai Devyam, Farman Ansari, Saurabh Kadam, Prem, Niket, Vishal. Owners Aishwarya, Bhumi and Neha. Shadab, Vivek, Ashraf, Gufran, Faizan, Imran, Sundar, Adarsh, Mohammad Naqib, Rishabh Rai, Sujal Kalra, Pranay, Sai Devyam, Farman Ansari, Saurabh Kadam, Prem, Niket Tiwari, Vishal Yadav. Owners Aishwarya, Bhumi, Neha Samal. Dhananjay from C Sharp Kings, I'm sorry.
DJ is an imported player, so she missed. Sorry, DJ. Arey, please call all the owners. Aishwarya, Bhumi and Neha Samil. Heta as well. Aishwarya is on the stage. Bhumi is also on the stage. Okay. Neha. Okay.
इधर बैठना
Okay, done. The whole CSK team, can you guys please come downstairs over here? Wait. Wait, guys, wait. Like, you have to get the trophy first. Guys, CSK. You don't want trophy? Can we take? Faisal sir and Hamid sir.
Nadeem has waited for 9 seasons for the trophy. If you all don't want it, he will take it. Come on. Can we hand over the trophy to the winning team of VCL Season 9, C Sharp Kings? Winners of VCL Season 9, C Sharp Kings. Can we hear it for them, please?
फटाक से इतना वो कर रहे रोकना बे जैद भी है कहाँ जाएगा 7 साढ़े 7 बजे
फैमिली के जा रहा नहीं घर पे फैमिली के जा रहा